All right, guys, once you're to the point of making the graph for our lab today, it's pretty straightforward. You're just going to be copying and pasting your data from slide number 9 onto the empty Google sheet that was attached to the lesson as well. So at this point, you should be completed with slides 4 and 6, which was taking a look at temperature and thermal energy and which way the heat would flow. And then on slide 8, you were to have read through the lab so you understood what was happening. And what we were really looking at is how energy was going to be moving when we add room temperature washers to different temperatures of water. So for your data to create your graph, you're going to click and hold and drag so that you select your data for all the temperatures of water with 0 through 3 washers. And you're going to copy that data. You can do so by clicking Control-C or by right-click copy. Then you will go to the Google Sheet that is attached to the post for today, clicking in B2, so that's the space underneath the word hot and right next to 0 washers. You're now going to paste your data. Again, you can do it by right-clicking paste or you can Control-V. Now we need to make our graph. So you'll select all of the information from numbers of washers all the way to 25.06, and you are either going to click this chart button over here where it says insert chart, or you can go up to the top, click insert and chart. You should create a graph that has 3 lines on it, one for hot, one for cold, and one for room temperature water. And really, we only have to change 2 things. We're going to fix our title, and then we'll also notice over here that our y-axis did not get a label. So we want to come to the right over here where it says customize, and we're going to go to chart and axis titles. For chart title, we're going to change this, and we're going to say how the number of washers affected the temperature of water. And that should change your title. Once your title is fixed, then you're going to go back over here where it says chart title. And now we want this to be the vertical axis title. And right now there's nothing. So we want temperature, and then we want degrees Celsius. So to make this little O superscript, you're going to format. Well, it's not going to let us do it. So just get rid of the degree, and it just has a C for our units. And then now we have that over here. Once you have your graph completed, you'll click on your 3 dots in the top corner. You'll say copy chart, go back to the lesson, and you're going to paste it on the slide. Doesn't matter if you link it to the spreadsheet or not. Resize it so it fits in the space that's provided for you, and then you can move on to the questions.